Okay, we are back. In this video, I want to give you proof of concept. So just to show you, in case you're not recognizing the different things that you can do to start a business. So we're going to go through these communities so that you can see pretty much, that you could start a business with just about anything. So we have this one, calligraphy school, which I don't know if I'm saying that right. But anyway, this person has 1.2 thousand members and she charges $9 a month. So not every community is free. You could actually charge and people will pay you to join your communities if you are offering value and they want to learn whatever it is you are teaching in your community. So we got this one, 1,000 members at $9 a month. And so what's this? Pickleball school. So this person is teaching pickleball. He is 995 members. They're paying $39 a month. And it could go on and on and on. So, like, let's see what else. Wellness Club. It's a free group, 51,000 members, but once in, there's a way that she probably is using to monetize the group, where she offers enough value to her people where they would pay her for whatever it is she may have, maybe an ebook or um, paid Zoom calls, something where she's offering value and giving more than she's taking. So, chess games. So that they're teaching chess, um, film, Monster Club. You get the idea. You can start a community pretty much with anything. So this is weight loss. This is people who just love watches. So they talk about watches. They have 1,000 members. It's a free community. So cycling club. So I'm hoping you're getting the idea of starting these communities and kind of making it your business and offering value to the people that you bring into your business. So um I wanted to show you this YouTube thing that I recently saw where we have people who have a dog poop business. They come around and they pick up dog poop. Now I haven't found, well, I haven't looked for a community on school for how to start a dog poop business, but you just I just want to give you an idea that you can start a business doing anything. And if you promote your business using YouTube, eventually YouTube you can get monetized on YouTube and make some extra income from YouTube. Like this video has 32,000 views. How to start a pooper scooper business and go from $0 to 100,000 a year. He has 32,000 views on this video. Scoop Start. Let's look at Scoop Start.
Starting a pooper scooper business is honestly one of the best home service companies.
So he has 100. He has 8,000 subscribers. And this video, that video alone that we just saw, got 32,000 views. So he's probably monetized on YouTube. So what that means is YouTube will pay him for creating content and bringing people in to look at his videos. So that's another facet of your business down the line because it's hard getting monetized on YouTube, but it happens, and it depends on the interest that you have in what you talk about on your channel. You can get monetized really sort of quickly in a few months, or it could take years. But it's not the end all to be all to what we're trying to do. But it is another incentive to start a YouTube channel because outside of your school community, this could be another form of income eventually if you garner the interest um, in the business that you are forming. So these are just some ideas of different businesses that you can start. So let's see, out of curiosity, if they have the poop business on school. Yep. So look, so we have 855 members, $69 a month. So we have 855 people who are trying to learn how to start a poop scoop business. And we have all of these other, well, not everything here, but these two for sure are poop scoop businesses. And this one here talks about how to get traffic and sales toward your business. So it's just it's wide open how far you can go and how much you can do as far as starting a school community and using Kit to garner email information from your people who would like to follow you so that you can keep in touch with them, and also using YouTube to get the people on the Kit list and onto your school community. So it all goes hand in hand. And if you're thinking you can't do it, it's normal to think, yeah, that could work, but not for me. But just know that many people are using this type of thing to start making their own income. That way they don't have to be so dependent on the money that they earn from their job. They could have their job income, and this can be a good second source of income or eventually your main source of income. That's the purpose of the my community, mainly for people who need to figure something out and don't have years and years and years to build something, or don't want to overexert themselves getting two and three jobs and still not making ends meet. So that's the philosophy that we have here in Starting Over Stronger, is find something that can complement what you're already doing, and you don't have to wear yourself out trying to go to this job, that job, and a third job. So hopefully, I've convinced you that this can work for you. I hope that you plug into the system, come to the weekly meetings that I'll be having here in the community on Zoom. I'm thinking Tuesdays at 8, but just monitor the top of your screen where it says calendar so that you can come to the meetings so we can have our discussions and get us our results from our new school business. Thank you for watching this video.